Today I'm going to be doing a transmission fluid exchange on a 2017 Toyota rav4, and this vehicle is a hybrid, so this only applies on the hybrid. So first thing, we gotta lift the vehicle. This is where I lifted the vehicle from, as you can see. Okay, once you have the vehicle on the air, we're gonna go ahead and loosen this drain plug here of the transmission. This one is a 10mm hex. This one. So this is what I'm gonna be using to remove it. Go ahead and drain the fluid. So then, once we drain the fluid, we're gonna go ahead and loosen this other 10mm hex, and this is where we're gonna be adding fluid. So go ahead and install a new washer on the drain plug and restore your drain plug. Go ahead and tighten it. Okay, now you could go ahead and use an extension and the 10mm hex to remove the other plug. Okay guys, so I'm gonna be adding the fluid now. This transmission takes 4 quarts of ATFWS. So make sure you add the manufacturer fluid. That way you won't have issues. What I'm gonna be using is this pump here. You could also do it manually. This is using this type of pumps. They sell them at rav4, I believe. So as you can see now, I'm using the little pump to pump the fluid up there. Another way to tell that your transmission is full is that you're gonna be seeing fluid dripping from here. That's when you know that it's full. But usually it just takes 4 quarts. Okay guys, you can see now that it's starting to drip, so that's where we're gonna stop. So go ahead and restore your refill plug. And go ahead and tighten it and clean clean the fluid that it dripped. So let's go ahead and finish tightening the refill plug. Okay guys, last step is to turn the vehicle on and go through all the gears. Just go through all the gears a couple of times, and you should be good.